What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Beamerboy by Lil Peep. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. I bring you weekly guitar videos and tutorials on your favorite songs. I make them as easy as possible for you. Also, when the video is done, check the description below. I've left a free ebook there called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Just a little gift for you guys coming to the channel, checking out the content. It's great for all skill levels. Go get your ebook after the video. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so this song is pretty simple. What you're going to do is start with the capo on your 4th fret, and you're only using 2 chords. Your first chord is a C sharp minor, and it's going to be your index finger on your 4th fret on your A string, your ring finger on your 6th fret on your D string, your pinky finger on your 6th fret on your G string, and then your middle finger on your B string on your 5th fret. Your second chord is going to be an E major. That's your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your D string, and your index finger on your 1st fret on your G string. As with most Lil Peep songs, the guitar in this song is kind of out of tune, so it may not sound exactly right when you play these chords with your guitar completely in tune, but I promise you the chords are right. The key to getting the closest sound is to only play the bottom 4 strings when you're playing these chords. So it's your 4 thickest strings. That way it kind of gives you that low kind of rumbling sound. Like I said, their guitar is just out of tune, or whatever they did with the sample or when they were playing it. I don't know if it was purposeful, I'm assuming it was, but they are playing the bottom 4 thickest strings. Now for the strumming pattern I'm using, it's also very simple. It's just down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And that's just repeated throughout both chords. So down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below. Go to the comment section and leave any questions or concerns or comments you may have, or songs you'd like me to teach you there, and we will see you in the next video.